Lisbon, Portugal's ruling centre-right coalition was the clear winner in a general election Sunday seen as a referendum on its austerity policies, although it could lose its absolute majority in parliament, near-complete results showed. Prime Minister Pedro Passos Coelho's Portugal-led coalition was on 39.16% of the vote, according to results from more than three-quarters of constituencies, with the opposition socialists of former Lisbon Mayor Antonio Costa trailing by more than 7 points. A convincing win for the centre-right would be a huge turn-up for the books for a government which pushed through 4 years of swinging austerity, which sent unemployment and immigration soaring in Western Europe's poorest country. The coalition between the Prime Minister's Social Democrats and the Conservative Popular Party needs 116 seats to control the 230-seat chamber, with early indications pointing to it falling just short. Passos Coelho campaigned on his record of having returned the country to fragile growth after one of the worst crises in its history, warning that the opposition socialists could undo the progress.